Oh, and
wait,
the
look, look,
over.
look,
Yeah.
look.
Hey off-roaders, we just started carrying a new product, the Z-Automotive front camera for the Wrangler JL. So we wanted to do a video to show the picture clarity. This was the first snow of the season, so we took it up to the mountains and we're going to do a little video. We're going to see it go through some puddles and through some mud and snow, etc. If you're needing the camera, check us out at racetuning.com. We have that along with the JL Tazer if you need that. Tazer JL is required to reprogram the body control module, and that will enable the front camera function through the radio on the dash. Some of the benefits of this product are if the windshield gets completely covered where you can't see through it, you may be able to see through the camera, as you'll see at the end of the video where we completely splash the whole Jeep with mud. Here's another one. Watch. Watch. Oh wait, here you go. Here you go. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Oh, and
Wait,
the
look, look,
over.
look.
Yeah.